still stuck in the Stone Ages when it comes to study methods? Did you know that there has been no advancement in memorization and summary techniques in the last 30 years? Our NCIP Whole Brain Study Skills workshops have been developed to assist your child with studying smarter and applying the various techniques in a more effective and stimulating manner, ensuring that each learner will recall the information easier, memorize it quicker, and retain it longer. This in turn will boost their confidence, improve their marks, and reduce exam stress. Furthermore, we also teach them how to set SMART goals, manage their time better, and how to stay motivated. Included in every workshop are 1 Whole Brain Learning Style Preferences Assessment, 1 Whole Brain Parent Feedback Session, 1 Online Whole Brain Study Skills Workshop, and 1 Online Zoom Student Follow-up Session. Our study skills workshops are available in both English and Afrikaans. Additional study skill coaching sessions can be requested. Our whole brain study skills workshops are broken up into modules, chapters, activities, and lessons, with the grade 4 to 7 workshop totaling 35 and grade 8 to 12 workshop 42. Students are required to complete their respective workshops online, within 30 days of enrollment, and need to start applying the various methods that we present in the workshops. Our online learner management system allows us to track their progress, and also we assist when they battle with the built-in online assessments and quizzes. Enroll them today, and be amazed at the study skills superpowers that your children will master with NCIP.